Okay, I'm working on the gotcha headlight thing, and what I found out is that this housing that holds the headlight, that's aluminum. It's non-magnetic, so I can't weld that. And this little thing, it's also aluminum. The screw is steel. So I'm gonna see if it'll focus. I'm gonna drill out this little tab, try to put an aluminum rivet through it, and see if it'll hold. And I'll have to drill a hole through this thing. Let's see how this turns out. All right, I've got these two adjustment screws. They're not as tight as I would have liked them to be, but I think they'll hold that headlight ring in there. There's a little tiny gap. There shouldn't be. Should have pulled it up all the way. I guess that rivet gun is not all it can be. But I'm gonna put it back together and stick the headlight in there, and we'll see what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, well, I came out to put this headlight in old tetanus shot, and what I found out was those rivets are heating up here and right over here on the side. So I'm gonna mark it, use this deburring tool on that drill and get a notch for the rivet to go in, and then put it together. Trying to hurry up, I got a football game to go to. All right, I reamed out a little notch for that rivet over there, and same thing right there, a notch for that rivet. The other headlight, that little keeper is busted loose too. I know how to fix it, but I'm not going to do it today. So Mr. Tetanus shot with the one seat in the plastic gas tank, it looks a whole lot better than it did when that top was on it. So I'm making genuine progress. Anyway, that's how you fix a headlight. I'm gonna go clean up and go to a football game.